Ready.
It's summertime. And what better way to enjoy the summer than a nice refreshing drink out on the patio? So Nadine's going to show us her specialty that she has concocted and perfected after a couple iterations, the Blackberry Blast.
Okay. All right, so a few ingredients. So we need fresh blackberries. We've got mint leaves. These are optional. If you don't like mint, don't use them, obviously. What are you doing? Oh, mint leaves. We're going to use fresh lime. You can also just use regular lime juice. Your favorite brand of ginger ale. Lemonade. Can be flavored, not flavored, whatever you like. And then, of course, we've got our Blackberry Crown Royal. And some ice. So, yeah, so we'll start. Okay, so we're going to take some beautiful blackberries. These ones are huge. We're going to put them in the cup. 3, 4, 5, whatever you like. The more the merrier. And we're just going to muddle them. So we're just going to squish them a little bit, and then we're going to add our mint leaves because we're also going to muddle some of those in there. So again, you just want to give it a quick squish so they're all nice, release all that nice mint flavor. There we go. Then we're going to take our lime and you're going to roll it a bit so it makes it juicier. It'll help release the juices for you. Just going to cut it in half. Give it a big old squeeze of lime juice. Adds to the freshness. Okay. There we go. Just gonna use this to give it a quick stir. Okay. And then we can add our whiskey. Gonna add some ice. Then we're gonna top up our cup with about half lemonade and finish the rest with your ginger ale. There we go. Now we're just gonna pop a straw in and off you go.
How is it?
Fantastic.
Really refreshing with that lime in there too, and the lemonade. And the blackberry, from the blackberries and the whiskey is just...
Spot on.
Yeah, lots of depth of flavors.
Not too sweet, nice and bubbly.
Yep. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you enjoy our recipes, please feel free to throw us a comment. We do read them all.
We do?
Thank you very much. Catch you on the next one.